Just purchased a new Bosch washing machine, WAE24272 on Thursday. How do we stop it from violently jumping around the laundry? This happens during the spin cycles. We have followed all the directions on alignment. The machine is level but still jumping around. I'm reluctant to use it because I am worried I will damage the machine.
Hi. Have the transit bolts been taken out the back? As this sounds like the bolts are still in place. Pull the washer out and look on the back. You will see the bolts in there, so undo them and remove them, and this will stop the washer from bouncing around like this. So check that and see what you find and let me know. Regards.
We removed the bolts, put clothes in machine and put the Cotton's Easy Iron program on. Unfortunately, the machine shakes violently and bounces and moves in all directions, particularly when the rinse and spin cycles commence. We are reluctant to try another program as we don't wish to damage the machine. The machine is level and sitting on a level floor.
Hi, have you removed the plastic lugs as well which the bolts sit in? If you open the door and hold the drum and you pull it forwards and backwards. Regards.
Lugs and bolts have been removed. The drum does not move forwards and backwards.
Hi, if the drum isn't moving then there's still one in there. Double check the back and make sure they are all out. There may be 3 or 4 bolts on the back holding the drum still, so check it again and see what you find. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.